You're really off. You're really off. Where are you going? More to the right.
Wow, look at this. They must be newbies. How many times does it take to get into the spot?
More to the right. The right, the right, the right, not the left.
Wow, they're even yelling at each other. How pathetic.
You're turning too much towards me. Keep going the other way.
It's just hard to see what I'm doing back there. I can't see anything. Wish I had a backup camera.
If you want to save your marriage and prevent embarrassment when backing up,
You need a Haloveiw BT11 camera system.
so we got our wish and we were sent a backup camera.
From Haloveiw, who sponsored this video, and we're proud to be a part of their affiliate system where if you order this system, you'll receive 5% off. This camera's been awesome for us. It's a huge addition to our RV. We love it, and we're going to show you a few of the features. This thing is awesome. I installed it a few days ago. I love it because it's an all-in-one backup camera and dash cam. It records full 1080p video. So this is going to be great for us because we're going to be able to take that footage and use it in our videos without having to fumble around with our GoPros and other cameras while we're driving. So it's really nice. It records as you go. Like I said, full 1080p HD. A few other things. It's wireless. The installation from the rear camera to the front is easy. You don't have to run a wire across the front of your trailer. The image quality is awesome. Like I said, 1080p. It also has GPS, so it shows you your direction and your speed while you're looking at the rear view camera, which is really cool. If you guys want this for your RV, which I highly recommend, you can use our 5% discount code on Amazon, RVentures. Installation of the BT11 camera system took me about an hour. Most of the work was installing the camera on the rear of the trailer. That took me about 40 minutes, I'd say, between drilling the hole, splicing the wires in, and then installing the gasket and caulking. And then I just paired it to the system inside the truck after I ran the wiring through the moldings. To do that, it's very simple. If you've ever run wiring inside a vehicle, you just pull back the edge of the moldings and run the wire underneath around to where you need them. And then you just plug it into the cigarette lighter, and from there, once you're paired up, you're good to go. Fairly simple. When you're installing your rear view camera onto the back of your trailer, some newer trailers are going to have a pre-existing adapter that you can just turn and simply install. Mine didn't have that, so I had to drill a hole behind here, and then I had to tie into the wiring on one of my marker lights right here. So I removed this marker light, pulled it out. Behind there's two wires. I simply tied in to the two wires from this. Pretty simple. And then I just sealed all around here. And it's a simple, clean installation. And then when you're done, you press the pair button on the bottom of the camera, and it will pair up with the control unit inside your vehicle. It's fairly simple. Once you've run all of your interior wiring, you're going to have a 3-connection setup for this camera. As you can see, I've plugged all 3 wires in. You have a GPS, a power, and a rear view camera. And you also have an SD slot there, which is included. Really nice feature of this. It's going to record for you while you're driving if you want. And then you just mount this camera on your rear view mirror. It's fairly simple. I'll show you guys. There's also a few conversion boxes you have to mount in line with those. One is a power filter. And that also connects to the power unit. And then the other one's a power conversion box. And I'm going to mount that up here near where my rear view mirror is. So follow along. It's fairly simple. Okay, so the interior installation of the BT11 is fairly straightforward. You're going to run some wires from your power junction, which is right here. And you run the wires depending on your truck or your vehicle, however you want to route them around the moldings inside is what I did. Use a small tool to pry the moldings back. Just run your wires around to the top. And you want to wind up near your rear view mirror because that's where your BT11 is going to be mounted. And you also have a GPS unit with this, which I also ran around. As you can see, I mounted it on the front. So I've just activated the display on the camera. I'm learning a few things from it. When you tap on it, it's a touch screen, which is really cool. You can get a split screen view, a dash cam only view, or a rear view camera only view. So check this out. Right now we're in split screen view. I tap on dash cam, I'm going to get the full screen. Back to split screen, and then full screen of my rear view camera.
So Joe did a good job installing the backup camera. I'm really happy with it. We absolutely loved our backup camera, and it has simplified our RV life. Use the link in the description below with the code RVentures to receive a 5% discount. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.